Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Located in Cedar Gardens, Mandeville, lies this investment property on approximately 1 acre with bearing fruit trees including ackee, avocado, tangerine, coconut, papaya, and banana. The main floor of the residence has 4 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms, including a lovely master suite. The kitchen and dining room open up to a grilled porch overlooking the front lawn. The second living area, which can be used for income generating, has its own entrance with 2 bedrooms, kitchen, dining, laundry, and study area. The property comes with concrete water tank, electric water pump, and solar water heater. So much potential, so much land. Right in Mandeville. What a deal. Guys, let's take a look at this house. And please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican, 45 million, or US $292.3 thousand. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.